Welcome today HS second year accountancy question bank or solution dia aji ami question bank to saw unit number 1 of basic concept of partnership. Very short question. Say following statement true or false. Usually interest on partners capital is paid out of profit. It is false. Interest on partners capital is debited to partners capital account. এইটো ইনকারেক্ট হয় ইন্টারেস্ট অন পার্টনার্স ক্যাপিটাল ইজ ক্রেডিটেড টু পার্টনার্স ড্রয়িং একাউন্ট এইটো ইনকারেক্ট 18/16/2008 ইকিটা আহিছিল তাৰপিছত আহে ইন দ্য এবসেন্স অফ পার্টনারশিপ ডিড দ্য রেট অফ ইন্টারেস্ট allowed on partners capital is রেট অফ ইন্টারেস্ট allowed 2024 আহিছিল মানে যোৱাবাৰ আহিছিল এইটো হল none of the above. তাৰপিছত next question হয় as per companies act 2013 the maximum rate of interest on calls in arrear is 10% per annum 2025 ত আহিছিল এইটো তাৰপিছত আহে fill in the blanks when partners capital account are fixed their current account are prepared 16-17 ত আহিছিল question number 3 partners loan account is paid before payment of capital. Question number 4 if a partner take over a liabilities of the firm the partner's capital account is credited 16-17-19 ত আহিছিল liabilities of a partner is unlimited 22 ত আহিছিল partners current account are prepared when the capital account are fixed এইটো আহিছিল 2024 ত ইয়াৰ পিছত rewrite the following sentence using the appropriate word এইটো আহিছিল a partnership is an association of two or more partners 2018 ত আহিছিল ইয়াৰ পিছত b interest on partners loan is to be credited to his loan account or current account 2019 আৰু 14 আহিছিল এইটো if drawing made with equal amount in beginning of every month for whole year the interest on drawing is to be calculated for an average period of 6.5 months এইটো আহিছিল তাৰপিছতে question number d when partners capital account is fixed then partners current account is prepared 2013-15 ত আহিছিল পিছত e in the absence of partnership agreement interest on partners loan will be calculated at 6% per annum হ'ব 2011 ত আহা question এইটো question number a the partners who does not participate actively in partnership business is known as nominal partners as 2011 ত আহিছিল 1 marker g a partner act as an agent for the firm 11 ত 2011 ত আহিছিল আৰু 15 ত আহিছিল কিটা h in the absence of partnership deed a partner who advances money to the firm beyond the amount of his or her capital is entitled to get interest thereon at the rate of 6% per annum as per the Partnership Act 1932 এইটো আহিছিল 2016 ত 1 মাৰ্কৰ ইয়াৰ পিছত আছে question the member of partnership business are collectively known as a firm 16 ত আহিছিল 1 মাৰ্কৰ in case of fixed capital a partner's capital account always shows credit balance actually এইটো হয় credit balance লিখিব লাগে positive balance বা negative balance ইয়াত লিখিব নালাগে profit and loss account is also known as income statement 16 ত আহিছিল choose the correct alternative 2022 question when a new partner is admitted the consent of all the partners is required তাৰপিছত next question হয় no interest on drawing is to be paid without partnership agreement 2009 ত আহিছিল এইটো হ'ব correct 8 number আছিলে liability of a partner in a partnership firm is limited এইটো incorrect হ'ব 9 ত আহিছিল 2000 তাৰপিছত দি rewrite sentence by using correct answer section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act define a partnership 2010 ত আহিছিল তাৰপিছত আহে short question 2 or 3 marker এইকিটা আহিছিল 2019 ত এটা আহিছিল 2012 ত এইকিটা question আহি থাকে তাৰপে profit and loss ৰেচিঅ' হ'ব ইকুৱেলি উইদাউট দ্য পাৰ্টনাৰশ্বিপ ডিড চেলাৰী টু পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ নাপায় পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ কেইটা উইদাউট পাৰ্টনাৰশ্বিপ এগ্ৰিমেণ্ট ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট অন পাৰ্টনাৰ্ছ লোন ইন এক্সেছ অফ দ্য কেপিটেল 6% পাৰ এনাম পাব এইটো কমন এইটো হ'ল কুৱেশ্যন বেংকৰ MCQ এডিশ্যনেল কুৱেশ্যন ইন হুইচ ইয়াৰ পাৰ্টনাৰশ্বিপ Act was passed 1932. Question number 2. In which section of Indian Partnership Act 1932 define partnership business? Section 4. Question number 3. Minimum number of person in a firm can be 2 hobo. Number 4. Partnership is the result of an agreement between 2 or more person to do business. Question number 5. Relationship of mutual agency between all the partners. If the partnership deed is silent about profit sharing ratio, equally all the partners should get the profit. 7. In absence of partnership deed, partners are entitled to charge any interest on capital. No, it no hobo. If the partnership deed is silent, interest on advances to the firm by the any partners will get 6% per annum. When partners capital account are prepared fluctuation basis, in which method partners current account prepare fixed method. Next question 11. Profit and loss appropriation account is not included. Which one of the following is not included? Interest on partners loan is not included in profit and loss appropriation account. It was still a question 2. Yar pichot question number 12. If profit share of profit or loss after appropriation profit and loss account, then debit side. 13. Share of profit or loss after appropriation, if profit partners capital account will be credited. Credit hobo. In absence of a specific provision in the deed, interest will be paid on capital to the partners. No interest will be paid without the agreement. Question number 15 hoy when amount is withdrawn at the beginning of each month, interest on drawing calculate for 6.5 months. Interest on drawing calculate when amount is withdrawn at the end of each month, then 5.5 months. When amount is withdrawn at the middle of each month, interest should be calculated. When 17. Withdraw at the middle of the month, then 6 months. Final account include profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account. See balance sheet means all of them. Question number 19. If profit and loss account credit. 20. After distribution of profit or loss, profit are added to the partner's capital account. Tarpishot very short type question. State following statement are true or false. It is necessary to have a partnership agreement in writing. No, it is incorrect hobo. Writing hobo pare aro oral hobo pare. 2 number at least 3 reasons are necessary for forming a partnership. It is incorrect hobo. Tarpishote rewrite following sentence with the appropriate word. Etu hall in the absence of agreement, profit are shared in equally ratio. Partners current account are prepared when the capital account are fixed. Choose the most appropriate answer. The interest on partners capital account to be credited to partners capital account. The current account of a partners will may have debit or balance. Debit or credit means current account of the partner may be debit or credit balance. Now unit number 2 পৰা কি কি আহিছিল এতিয়া কোশ্চেন বেংকতে তো দিয়াই আছে এতিয়া আমি চাও read the following sentence using appropriate answer. On admission, unrecorded asset brought into account are credited to revaluation account. 2. Goodwill is intangible asset. Profit on revaluation of assets and liabilities is shared by all partner. এই যে ব্ৰেকেটত দিয়া আছে নহয় হেতু হল কোন সনত আহিছিল এটো তাৰ পিছতে আহে কোশ্চেন 2012 goodwill is the extra earning capacity of a business 13 and 15 আহিছিল Premium for goodwill is shared in gaining ratio 2024 আহিছিল. When a new partner does not bring in his share of goodwill, in case the amount of premium is debited to capital account of new partners. If there is any profit on revaluation, assets and liabilities, the same will be shared by all partners in all profit sharing ratio. Etu aha question ahisil 2014 1 marker. Etu ahisil ago 15th goodwill is an extra earning capacity of the firm. 2020 ahisil a partner act as an agent of the firm. In the absence of any agreement at the time of retirement of partners, goodwill will be adjusted in gaining ratio 2023 ahisil. New profits, new ratio minus old ratio equals sacrificing ratio hoy 2025 ahisil. Goodwill is extra earning capacity 2025 ahisil. Etu ahisil 2014 if business is sold as a going concern, cash balance is also transferred to realization account. Option dise yate. Profit or loss on the valuation of assets and liabilities is distributed amongst all partners. Sacrificing ratio actually to false hobo. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. 2018 interest due to retiring partner is transferred to his loan account. A partner acts as an agent of the firm. In case of fixed capital, a partner's capital account always show credit balance. Etu monot rakhibo lagib, positive balance noy, credit balance likhibo lagibo etu. Tapite show 2 or 3 mark or question or 6 mark or question ei keita man ase. Actually moi very short question or answer jo aji di asu. This one the additional question and important questions of the question bank from the question bank. At the time of admission of a partner, general reserve appearing in old balance sheet is transferred to old partner's capital account. Number 2, A, B, C are partner in a firm. If D is admitted new partners, the old firm is dissolved. No, old partnership is reconstitution hobo. C over your answer. Question number 3. On the admission of a new partner, increase in the value of assets is debited to assets account. At the time of admission of partner, undistributed profit appearing in the balance sheet of the old firm is transferred to the capital account of old partners. Actually याद दिया है कि A, B, C are partner sharing profit and loss 3:2. D, C admitted 1/4 share of future profit. Which of the correct? A is correct. Tapisot ahe question number 6. X and Y share profit in the ratio 3:2. Z was admitted as new partner. 4. Who get 1/5 share in future profit? Z acquired 3/10 from X and 3/20 from X and 1/20 from Y. What will be the new profit sharing ratio? Actual 9:7:4. Your answer to connect calculation hobo. Etu hobo calculation prokriya. So your answer hoy ase 9:7:4. Question number 7. A and B are share profit and loss in the ratio of 3:1. C admitted for 1/4 share of future profit. What is the sacrifice ratio? सीधा सीधी हो भैया 3:1. Next question. Goodwill is an intangible asset. On admission, the unrecorded assets brought into account are credited to revaluation account. Profit on revaluation of assets and liabilities is shared by all partners in all profit sharing ratio. Goodwill is the extra earning capacity of the business. When a new partner does not bring in his share of goodwill, in case the amount of premium is debited to new partner's capital account. এইটো আছিলে এডমিশন লোকে ইয়াৰ পিছত এইটো হ'ব ৰিটায়াৰমেণ্ট এণ্ড ডেথ আমি কোশ্চেনটো চাওঁ HS এক্সাম কোশ্চেন দিয়া আছে the decrease actually over the deceased partner executor is entitled to a share of profit for the period up to his or her death true hobo etu the deceased partner is entitled to share of profit for the period up to his death true hobo 2019 aru ei kita aisil 14 17 19 ei bracket dia kita year ase 18 ase man 2018 interest due to the retiring partner is transferred to his loan account the amount due to retiring partner is transferred to his or her loan account etu aisil ebar income statement also known as profit and loss account 2025 ot aisil yar pisote ase 2 or 3 or 4 mark or question ekita chapter 2 additional or important question MCQ first sailo ami etu 5:3 calculation korile mane hobo question number 2 তিনজন আসিলে 2:1 আসিলে তাৰপিছত তেওঁলোকৰ নিউ এজন গেইনিং ৰেশিও হ'ব 1:1 question number 3 question A2 তাৰ आंसर 8:7 question number 4 in the absence of any information regarding the acquisition of share in profit retiring deceased partner by the remaining partners it is assumed that they will acquire his share of profit in old profit এই ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আছে এটো মনত ৰাখিব লগা এটো টপিকস টু question number 4 question number 5 on retirement or death of a partner the retiring or deceased partner capital account will be credited his share of goodwill তাৰ পিছতে question আছে ইয়াতে on retirement death remaining partners sacrifice यार पीछे था है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इन केस ऑफ डिसीज्ड पार्टनर शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट फॉर इंटरवेनिंग पीरियड टू व्हिच अकाउंट विल बी रेकर्डेड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस सस्पेंस अकाउंट होबो यार तार माने कारेंट पीरियडर जेतु होय प्रॉफिट होक बा लॉस होक तार काने एंट्री বুলি কৈছে আৰু तार पीछे तो क्वेश्चन আছে इन द इवेंट ऑफ death of partner the amount of general reserve be transferred to the partner's capital account in all profit sharing ratio और यार दिया है ऐसे ऑप्शनत ताई वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन दिया আছে तो एटिया नाउ क्वेश्चन बैंक यूनिट नंबर 4 डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म এটো সাও কোশ্চেন পেপার কি আইছে এতিয়ালৈকে ৰিড দ্য ফলোইং সেন্টেন্স 2012 ত আহিছিল ইফ এ পার্টনার টেক ওভার এন এসেট such partners capital account is debit 2012 ত আছিলে unrecorded asset when realized are credited to realization account 1317 ত আহিছিল current ratio is the relationship between current assets and current liability এটো হয় পার্ট বি ৰ কোম্পানীৰ একাউন্টিং ৰেশিওৰ পৰা এটো কোশ্চেন আছিলে D. At the time of dissolution of partnership firm, assets are transferred to realization account at book value. It was 24th ICL, recent ICL. Choose the most appropriate answer. Equity shareholder of a company are the owners of the company hobo or members hobo. Here option আছে members, creditors, member hobo. এটো কোনো কথাই নাই এটো পার্ট বি আসিলে Dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership are two distinct legal concepts হয় এটো correct হবো 12th আইছিল unrecorded liabilities when paid are debited to realization account actually এটো হবো তারপর unrecorded asset when realized are credited to realization account every member of joint stock company can take part in the management of company true হবো 9th আইছিল 2000 choose correct alternative 2015 আইছিল in the event of death of a partner the amount of general reserve be transferred to partner's capital account in all profit sharing ratio etu ahisil question paper the deceased partner executed entitled to share of profit period up to the date of death etu ahisil 2015 1 mark additional question on dissolution part opera MCQ actual dissolution of partnership firm bank overdraft is transferred to realization account on dissolution of a partnership firm loan account is also transferred to the none of the above actually direct payment or loan account of the partners After transfer liabilities, creditor and bills payable in realization account in the absence of any information regarding their payment, such liabilities are credited as fully paid hobo etu. Tapisote when realization expenses are paid by the firm on behalf of the partner, such expenses are debited to the partner's capital account. Question number 5. Unrecorded assets when taken over by a partner are shown in the credit of realization account. Question number 6. Unrecorded liabilities when paid are shown in the debit of realization account. Question number 7. The accumulated profit and reserve are transferred to partner's capital account to admission retirement date gute keta ta sei topics to. 8. On dissolution of the firm, partner's capital account are closed through the bank account. Question number 9. All assets except cash and bank fictitious assets are transferred to debit of realization account. Question bank or etu gute keta question paper just short moi di asu tar pisote long dia chesta korim. Question number 10. All external liabilities are transferred to the credit of realization account. 11. No entry is required when a creditor accepts fixed assets in payment of his dues. Very short question and answers akoi आता से. The termination of existing relationship between among the partner is known as partnership dissolution. Dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm are two different things. In case of firm dissolution of business, the firm will be closed down. Dissolution of partnership between all the partners of a firm is called the dissolution of the firm. 5 number. In case of partnership dissolution, it is involved of reconstitution of firm. 6. The court may dissolve a firm when a partner has become the insolvency. The firm first step in dissolution process is to prepare realization account. ताकि realization account is prepared on dissolution of a firm. 9 number. Realization account is used to show net gain or loss has result from realization of assets and settlement of liabilities. ताकि 10 number. Dissolution expenses must have a priority over payment to all third parties. यार पीछे है when an unrecorded asset is realized, it is credited realization account. 6 तार पीछे है next point. No entry is required to be passed for asset taken over by the creditor. ताकि next when one of the partner agrees to discharge liabilities, personal account will be debited. On dissolution, current account balance of the partners are finally transferred to the partner's capital account. After the claims of partners are settled, there will be no balance in the bank or cash account. At the time of dissolution of partnership firm, goodwill is treated like any other asset. এইটো আছিলে part A partnership or গোটে very short question and তাৰ solution. এইটো হল question bank or গোটে short question important হয় এইটো accountancy. So আজিৰ ভিডিঅ' এইখিনিয়ে থাকিব. Thank you. ভিডিঅ' যদি হেল্পফুল হয় তেতিয়া এটলিষ্ট সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰিব পাহৰিব নালাগে আৰু লাইকটো কৰিবই লাগে. তাৰ লগে লগে কমেন্ট যদি কিবা আৰু লাগা আছে তে সেইটো বাবে কমেন্ট কৰিব লাগে. Thank you again.